Welcome back. Today we are doing a very fun and awesome recipe. 2 ingredients, pepper and salt. Of course, that's not only what we're doing, but we'll get into that in just a second. I'm going very heavy on the salt and pepper you'll see here, and there's a reason for that. This steak is not very well marbled, and I felt like we could really just cover this guy up with lots of good flavoring and seasoning, and it would cover the fact up that the steak actually wasn't very good in the first place. So you see I got the top and the bottom. Now get the sides. Olive oil in your cast iron, make sure it's good and hot. I did here a water test to make sure it was good and ready to go for the steak. Yes, this is very, very simple. Anybody could do this. This is a normal, traditional cast iron, probably from your local, sports store. Like Lodgepole does not have to be an expensive cast iron skillet. Now here's where the magic happens. We're using lots of butter and rosemary on this steak, and we're going to cook it in the butter juice and the steak juice with the rosemary as well. It makes it very good aromatic with the rosemary, and butter and steak are just a match made in heaven. Once that butter starts to melt, you know what we're going to do. We're going to start coating this steak with the butter runoff from the steak itself. So all the juices from the steak as well as the butter getting cooked up with the rosemary and putting that right back on the steak to make a very delicious, moist, flavorful, juicy ribeye steak. And you wouldn't normally get from this because it was so lean as a ribeye in the first place. This method really helps you take this up a notch, up a couple levels if you want my opinion, in what you would get if you didn't do this method. And there we go. A beautiful, medium ribeye in a cast iron. Absolutely delicious. Everybody in your family will love you. So make sure you cook enough for everybody. Have a great day, everybody. See you next time.